Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 wallpaper or background image disappeared after updating Windows 10. So to resolve this issue, click on Start, open File Explorer. Now open local disk C. Now open this Windows folder. Now scroll down and open this web folder. Now here is the guys option wallpaper, open it. Here you will see some wallpapers like spotlight. Open this folder. Here is the wallpaper. Here are some more wallpapers. Right click on it and click on set as desktop background. That's it. So like this guys, you can fix and resolve wallpaper problem in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.